Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best dashcams with GPS in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best dashcams with GPS. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Experience smarter road security with the REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K Dashcam, built for drivers who want complete coverage day and night. This advanced 3-channel system records crisp 4K front video, detailed 2.5K rear footage, and clear 1080p cabin monitoring at the same time. Powered by STARVIS 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors, it captures brighter images, richer color, and sharper license plates in low-light conditions. Full-night color technology helps reveal important details after dark without heavy glare. The included 128 GB memory card lets you start recording right away with generous storage space. Hands-free voice control allows easy commands for saving clips, taking snapshots, or changing settings while keeping your focus on driving. Loop recording and G-sensor protection automatically secure key moments during sudden impacts. Compact styling keeps your windshield neat, while wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots around your vehicle. Whether commuting daily, ride-sharing nights, or road trips, this premium dashcam delivers confidence, convenience, and dependable evidence whenever you need it most. Everyday protection for families, travelers, new drivers, fleets, and anyone seeking smarter accident documentation and peace of mind, always on every journey ahead today, now instantly. Number 2. Experience complete road awareness with the FREEXAR 4K 360 degrees dashcam, designed to capture every angle of your drive in stunning detail. Its advanced 4-channel system records front, rear, left, right, and cabin activity for true, all-around protection. Crisp 4K video helps preserve license plates, traffic events, and unexpected moments with remarkable clarity. Built-in GPS tracks routes, speed, and travel history, giving you accurate evidence whenever needed. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi pairs smoothly with the mobile app so you can review, download, and share footage in seconds. Enhanced night vision keeps recordings bright and readable during dark roads, rain, or parking lots. Intelligent voice control lets you save clips, take snapshots, or manage settings hands-free while staying focused on driving. Loop recording automatically overwrites old files, while emergency lock saves critical clips after sudden impacts. Easy installation and a sleek design make it ideal for commuters, families, rideshare drivers, and road travelers. Trust every journey with dependable security, smarter connectivity, and premium video performance that helps protect your car, passengers, and peace of mind every single day and night. Wherever you go with confidence, always on board today, now safely ahead, prepared. Number 3. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam delivers complete road and cabin protection for drivers who want confidence every trip. With an advanced 560 degrees viewing system, it captures front, rear, interior, and surrounding activity to reduce blind spots and preserve critical evidence. The crystal-clear 3K front camera records sharp details like plates and signs, while enhanced night vision keeps footage bright and readable after dark. A responsive 3.18-inch touchscreen makes setup fast and simple, letting you review clips, adjust settings, and switch views instantly. Built-in voice control adds safer hands-free convenience when driving. The included Hardwire kit activates 24/7 parking mode, monitoring your vehicle when parked and automatically saving events caused by motion or impact. 4-channel recording is ideal for families, rideshare drivers, and commuters who need inside and outside coverage at the same time. BOTSLAB also supports loop recording, accident lock files, and dependable memory management for daily use. Compact styling fits neatly on the windshield without blocking vision. Choose this smart dashcam for stronger security, clearer evidence, easier operation, and peace of mind on every journey ahead today, now always protected during travel with reliable performance each day ahead. Number 4. Upgrade your driving security with the Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree 2.7K dashcam, designed to capture every angle on the road and inside your vehicle. The advanced 4-channel system records crisp 2.7K front footage, dual 1080p side views, and sharp 1440p rear video for complete evidence when it matters most. Equipped with STARVIS 2-night vision sensors, the camera delivers brighter, clearer images in low-light, rainy weather tunnels and nighttime streets. Built-in GPS tracks speed, route, and location, while Wi-Fi lets you preview, download, and share clips directly from your smartphone. The intelligent 24/7 buffered parking mode monitors impacts, motion, and suspicious activity, automatically saving events before and after incidents. Wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, families, commuters, and fleet vehicles. Easy installation, reliable loop recording, emergency lock protection, and durable heat-resistant performance ensure worry-free daily use. Choose the Vantrue N5S for premium all-around coverage, dependable protection, and confidence every mile you drive safely today with smart alerts, seamless app control, long-lasting reliability for every journey ahead each single day. Always protected and secure now. Number 5. REDTIGER F17 4K triple Dashcam delivers complete road protection with stunning clarity for every drive. Powered by STARVIS 2 IMX 675 HDR imaging, it records crisp 2160p front video plus 1080p cabin and 1080p rear views. Simultaneously capture license plates, street signs, passengers, and traffic details day or night. The interior camera uses IR night vision to monitor the cabin clearly in low-light conditions. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast downloads, instant sharing, and easy app control. Integrated GPS logs, route speed, and location data for reliable trip evidence. A included 64 GB card lets you start recording right away. Loop recording and sensor. Emergency lock, keep important files safe. Wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots and cover more surroundings. Compact, durable, and driver-friendly, this camera is ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, families, travelers, and fleet vehicles. Enjoy peace of mind with dependable triple-channel surveillance every mile ahead. Choose smarter security today with sharp sensors, responsive controls, stable mounting, simple installation, seamless performance during heat, rain, and vibrations. Automatic startup begins when your engine powers on. Helpful timestamps support insurance claims and incident reviews whenever needed. Most later, quickly, anytime, anywhere, easily.